DIY hacks are cool and useful, and they can be organized in multiple categories. So, namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. Today's video is dedicated to 4 amazing DIY room decor hacks. They're all really simple, so anyone can try them. They're also fun and interesting. So, let's begin. The first DIY is a golden heart on plank or wooden plank turned into a wall decor. First of all, cleaned this plank and now added the patterns using electrical tape. You can skip electrical tape by washi tape also. Now I just painted the different shapes using different acrylic colors, like you can see. Here I am using the black acrylic paint. In this triangle, I painted white color. The last triangle got a blue color. It was totally fun painting the different triangles. Now I have gently removed the tape. Honestly, it was so satisfying watching the tape coming out of the plank, leaving the pattern as it is. Now here comes the trick. At the center, attached the heart stencil, and around this, I started fixing the notice board pins. You can use nails also. Here I've used the golden pins. These pins actually will give rise to a golden heart on a plank. Now let me tell you that this step that is fixing the nail is so much time taking, but at the end the result was awesome. I enjoyed doing this while playing some music. You could try this art on a canvas also. And let me tell you that I have shared a video on 3 simple canvas arts where I have used the nails and yarn on the canvas. So if you don't want to miss it, then make sure you check the video in the description box. Now to paint the leftover space, again I have attached the tape to prevent the mixing of colors and then painted magenta color. Tada, it's all done. You can keep it on any table or you can also hang it on the wall, and I'm sure it will give a classy look. Next DIY is a mason jar turned into a beautiful container. For this I chose to take the Caventer's Desert jar. You can use any glass jar. And now I've removed the cap. Just clean it or wipe it using a napkin. And then I've painted the cap with golden color. You can also spray paint it. And once it is dry, I've used this cute little miniature sandal, which was actually a keychain, got as a gift from my brother-in-law from Korea. Now using the glue gun to attach or fix the sandal on top of the cap. You can use Fevicol or any kind of glue also. And tada! Simple DIY glass container is ready. Isn't it looking cute and beautiful? It is so girly. It's just amazing when you think about the things that you can make from a single item that you might have thrown away during the years as useless. The mason jar is one of those things. This is one of the DIY project I like the most as it is a chic storage solution. Wire and wood side basket table is epitome of fashionable and functional design. This is a wire or iron mesh basket bought from Banjara market for just ₹100. Now you all must be thinking that I'm gonna paint it, but no, there's a twist. I'll be adding some thread or yarn strand to cover it and give it a new look. For this I've taken this jute kind of thread and cut them into long strands. Now I'm going to tie these strands by a single knot on the wire. This project also took too much time, I think 2 to 3 hours. But as you all know that I'm a freaking DIY lover, I just enjoyed the tying of knots while listening to some music. Here you can see that I'm cutting the extra strands just to level them up. Here you can see that I am tying pink yarn strands and I chose 2 different colors just to give a vibrant contrast. So I tied the 2 threads or yarns alternately. This basket can be used as a storage solution. Here I've used it as a plant holder or book holder. You can also add extra cushions, throws or toys, etc. The last DIY is simply a decor piece, or you can use it as a earring holder, or you can pin your favorite quotes also. For this I've used an old wooden photo frame. First of all, clean it, and then I painted it with two different colors, that is blue and pink acrylic colors. Now I've just taken a piece of thermocol and inserted it or fixed it inside the frame. And now you can add any coat on it by using notice board pin, or like I have attached these long cute earrings which I wasn't using on a daily basis. You can keep this frame on your dressing table or side table, and this will add a cute and chic factor in your room. Hope you all have enjoyed the DIY ideas. So please subscribe the channel and give it a big fat thumbs up also. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.